Where do I have to see, here or here? Sorry.
चुप करना है ना, चुप करना। Okay.
Hello everyone. Hi, this is Dr. Priyanka Desai Pilani, co-founder and managing director at Assure Clinic.
Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Pilani, MD dermatologist and a founder at Assure Clinic.
Myself, Dr. Piyush Darji. I am a consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon at Assure Clinic. It started with the dream.
We started Assure, which basically deals into skin, hair transplant, aesthetic procedures back in 2016 from our head office at Andheri. Constantly we were planning of expansions and expanded further.
Guys, I don't know what Dr. Abhishek has told you all, but frankly, if you ask me, the Dubai journey is not something only happening this year. And I had traveled with my team of doctors and the counseling team to Dubai in 2017. And we were in love with the place, we were very sure that yes, we want Assure to be in Dubai.
But unfortunately, because there are certain licenses which requires 3 years of establishment post Indian qualifications, so we couldn't do that back then.
Dr. Abhishek has determined in his mind that we are going to open in Dubai, no matter what.
So continuously we started expanding in India. 2019, 2020, when we again thought that now we can establish ourselves, and unfortunately pandemic happened. Again that gave a halt to us. Post that 2022, after the pandemic, after everything fell in place.
But yeah, finally now in 2023, we have fully established in Dubai, and more than 500-600 patients have already traveled to India, taken services, and we already have very happy clients waiting for us in Dubai. And
finally we have made it, and we are here, and we are open.
And
of course, we don't stop here, so Dubai is just the beginning. We are very excited now that we are in Dubai. We are certain that we would want to definitely expand all through GCC and of course also other countries across the globe. So very happy and excited about the journey further.